Yes, welcome to day one, or welcome to 1st December of the Vlogmas. Okay, hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. It is the first time seeing you, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share. So someone said I should tell them how much YouTube pay me for 8,000 views. So if they have like 8,000 views, how much can YouTube pay them? Anyways, I'm going to start up my screen record because I don't want this video to be too long and I don't want it to be too short at the same time, but I just want it to be quick and simple so that you guys can come back for the next review tomorrow. If you also want to know how much YouTube pay per any of your videos or per any amount of views, leave it for me in the comment section and I'll also be delivering your video just like as I'm delivering this one. Anyways, my screen record is all started and I'm going to be attaching it either here or here. Right now you can see that this video has 8,800 views, and this video was the video I talked about this stuff. This video was a video I talked about no views on YouTube, okay, and it was the last month's video, which is November video. And this video got you can see here 3 times viewer higher than usual, more regular viewers choosing to watch more, blah blah blah. And let's go to the reach of this video because like I said, let's be quick. This video has gotten 92k impression, okay. For 92k impression, only 8.8k click okay. And you can see that this video is how you guys find this video is browse features, suggested videos, other YouTube features, channel page and others, external sites and source, WhatsApp, Google search and whatsapp.com. And you can see here YouTube search them, Vibe with Sonia, Grow with Sonia, YouTube no views. And these are content suggesting my content, and all of this content suggesting this particular video, they are my personal content except for just one here. Yeah, that is not my content. Now let's go to the engagement of this particular video. For the engagement, you can see that this video has a watch time of 472 watch time, and of which is something to be grateful for. Like, is it easy? This video has audience retention of 3 minutes and 12 seconds, guys. And if we go to the audience of this video, for the audience of this video has what, 5.7k returning viewers, and of which I always tell you guys that if viewers are always coming to watch your videos is a good thing, okay. And you can see the age here, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64. And you can see the genders watching, both male and female are actually watching this video, and of which I'm grateful. And the top geographics that are watching this video: Nigerian, United States, Kenya. I know that if I click we're going to see more, but there's no need for us to click. And then you can see the top subtitles / English, and here you can see watch time from subscribers as well. You can see that the watch time from subscribers is a bit higher, is a bit lower than the watch time from people that actually subscribe. So if you're watching this video, please subscribe, okay, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share. Now let's go to the revenue of this video. For the revenue of this video has made $29.80. yes, $29.80. And how I make my money: watch paid ads, YouTube premium, video performance. As you guys are saying, I have what, for my video performance, I have for every 1k view I get to make $3.44. And how YouTube, how much advertisers pay $6.40, which is per 1k view. And earnings by skippable, bumper, display, and not skippable, as you guys are seeing here. So for the video of 8.8k view, I got a total of $29.80. And this is not me telling you that because I got this you're going to get the same thing as well. When it comes to YouTube revenue, it differs, and I'll keep saying it in my videos, it differs. So I can get 8k view and get this, another person can get 8k view and make less, another person can still get 8k view and make way higher, someone can even get 8k view and be making up to 70 something, 50 something, or even 100, depending on the kind of niche you are bringing on YouTube, okay. And I hope this video is able to help you. Anyways, this is how much I've been able to make with 8k view video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think it's reasonable enough? Do you think it's not reasonable enough? If you have any video, like I said, that you want me to actually film for you during this period of how much YouTube pay me series, do well to drop it for me, and definitely I'm going to be delivering everything that you guys need. And the reason why we are doing this, like I said from the beginning, if you did not watch the update video I drop, is because I want you to be encouraged, and by 2025 you should start shooting your channel videos if you have not been doing that, or you should start planning to monetize if you already have a YouTube channel. Anyways, if you guys don't know, I coach on YouTube. Yes, I coach, and like I said, my coaching still elapsed till on the 7th of December, which is a December to monetize promo, where with just 10,000 naira, you can be able to assess me. I can be able to go into your channel to check what is working, what is not working, how we can minus and add. You can check out the flyers that is displaying on this screen, and trust me, you're not going to be regretting that. Okay, our students are monetizing, our people are monetizing, our community is monetizing, so you are also going to be among those that will actually monetize. Anyways, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed, I've been saying in this video, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.